Hey,
How's it going?
good. How's it going?
Very good. What are you up to?
Trying to see you.
Nice.
I'm doing good with my heart. Going to heart classes or heart rehabilitation
Oh,
to strengthen my heart.
there you go.
And I met an older lady, but I think she's married.
Oh,
But I'm not going to roll it out yet. I'm just going to keep being nice to her.
that's all you can do.
So today the bike rail trail day out on the west side.
Nice.
Parties.
Nice.
So I'll probably go to that. I'll probably go to that at 3.
Nice.
But I want to say hi to you.
Hello, sir.
But I wanted to say hi to you, my good buddy Tony.
It's a nice one today, huh?
It is.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Alrighty then.
I'm gonna take one of these, alright?
Yeah, do that. Sure. It's sunny out there, huh?
It is, my friend. It's sunny. It is sunny.
It's nice out.
But I have good vibes now about women. I just let whatever flow. If it doesn't happen, it don't happen. If it happens, then it's good.
That's the way to go.
Now I got a better positive attitude.
That's good.
This is running good today.
That's good. High speed.
I went 13 miles an hour today.
That's pretty good.
Because I don't want to go too fast and hit something.
That's right.
So no hobby today. You're yachting.
Oh, I'm tired, yeah. Tomorrow, Javi will be here tomorrow.
Wow.
It's off today, I guess.
I saw him this last week, and he was doing good. And I told him I was getting better.
Yeah, that's good.
But I missed you. I didn't see you here.
Yeah, I've been off for the last couple of days.
Wow, I know this place has been closed.
Yeah, not much business. It's that time of year again.
I know, but I like seeing you.
Like seeing you too, Jay.
Right on, buddy.
It's good that your heart's so your heart's doing better then, or did they say?
Well, I don't know. I'm just starting to do the exercise, and she's really awesome. That I was like getting on those machines and going like, "Dude, you're strong, man." She thought I was strong.
Oh, I could see that.
I think I was out doing this class, but I don't know.
All that biking is paying off.
All
huh?
that biking is paying off like a ninja frog.
Yeah.
Hi.
Nice and strong. Busy. You know how people get with their phones. Maybe she doesn't speak English. That's possible too.
That's true.
Maybe you should have tried hola.
Oh, holla, 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 holla.
Maybe
How about
not.
the holla?
Maybe not that. Maybe don't do that.
I won't do that.
Maybe just hello is fine.
I think you're right. I want to do the hula dance.
Yeah.
That might be a curse.
Yeah. Someone might take it the wrong way.
Exactly.
And then they're cursed. Hello.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, absolutely.
We parked the car because it's our first time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. How are you?
How you doing?
I'm fine. We parked the car and we take a ticket.
Yeah,
Then what do we have to do?
When you leave, you'll pay. You'll give them the ticket at the when you leave,
Ah, okay.
and then you
we
pay
don't
when
have
you
to
leave.
do something.
Not yet. No,
Ah, okay.
just when you leave. Yeah.
Perfect.
Mhm.
How about you?
Very good.
You're here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Do the kayaks.
With the kayaks, yeah.
Yeah.
We're not dressed for kayaks.
We have everything you need.
Ah, okay. We will think about it.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no
Have a
problem.
wonderful day, my friend.
What?
Have a wonderful day, my
You too,
friend.
my friend. Thank you so much.
Can you do it? Oh, can't do it. Try again. You're too strong. Apparently, huh?
Well, not try to be.
There it goes. How exciting.
It's exciting when I see you. That's exciting.
It's a good day, huh?
It's a good day to be with friends.
That's right, every day. It's a good day to have a day.
That's right.
looks like when it first starts spinning,
Uh-huh.
there's like two little poles in it.
Ah!
You see that?
Uh-huh.
It just looks like there's two little posts.
There is.
Sort of, I guess, yeah. But it's just a circle. Little trick, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
Wow.
You try it. Try to stop it.
How do you stop it?
You have to put your finger right on that spot.
You mean on the top?
Right at the top.
Wow.
Gotta give it a good spin. And right at the top.
Uh-huh.
Oh, pretty hard. I got
Okay. Ugh. Ah. No. No.
You wouldn't do that, would you?
No, I don't think I would. I don't think I would do that to you.
Well, that's good. That's rude.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Thanks, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Oh, those stairs never get old.
I know.
Yeah.
But I wish we didn't get old.
Yeah, I wouldn't have to know.
Uh-huh.
Kind of weird though, wouldn't it? All these,
Uh-huh.
there'd be a lot of people on the planet if no one ever got old, huh?
Oh, I know.
There'd be a lot of people out there.
It would.
I think, what was it, 7 billion? I think that's a lot. How many people have there ever been?
I know.
Probably a lot, huh?
Mm-hmm. Maybe 5.